Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Test Prep Training. Today we will discuss about Salesforce CPQ Specialist. Certified Salesforce CPQ Specialist credential is intended for candidates who have knowledge implementing the Salesforce CPQ solution. This exam focuses on the Salesforce customers, partners, and Salesforce employees who wish to showcase their skills and knowledge in designing, building, and implementing quoting flows through the Salesforce CPQ platform. Skills acquired. A candidate for this exam will be able to do the following tasks proficiently. First, composite summary variable. Second, block with discount schedule. Third, nested bundles. Fourth, nested quote terms. Fifth, advanced grouping. Sixth, advanced quote template topics. Learning objectives. The Salesforce Certified CPQ Specialist candidate has experience with the Salesforce CPQ solution, and has the skills and knowledge of the following concepts. Now we will talk about exam prerequisites. The Salesforce Certified CPQ Specialist must have experience with the Salesforce CPQ platform, CPQ terminology, and should be able to troubleshoot and solve basic platform issues. Also, the candidate should ensure that they have a minimum of 1 year of experience in a CPQ specialist role. Target audience, Salesforce Certified CPQ Specialist. This exam is designed especially for the Salesforce customers, partners, and Salesforce employees who wish to demonstrate their abilities and knowledge in designing, building, and implementing quoting flows through the Salesforce CPQ platform. Salesforce Certified CPQ Specialist includes the following job roles. First, IT. Second, Sales Ops. Third, Technical Architect. Fourth, Implementation Consultant. Fifth, Services. Sixth, Product Manager. Seventh, Pricing Manager. Now we will discuss about exam details. Content, 60 multiple choice, or multiple select questions, and 5 non-scored questions. Exam time, 105 minutes. Passing score, 65%. Registration fee, $200 plus applicable taxes. Retake fee, $100 plus applicable taxes as required per local law. Exam delivery options: proctored exam delivered on-site at a testing center, or in an online proctored environment. Exam outline. First, CPQ platform, which comprises 23% weightage for this exam. Second, bundle configurations, which comprises 17% weightage for this exam. Third, pricing, which comprises 16% weightage for this exam. Fourth, quote templates, which comprises 7% weightage for this exam. Fifth, product selection, which comprises 7% weightage for this exam. Sixth, orders, contracts, amendments, and renewals, which comprises 15% weightage for this exam. Seventh, products, which comprises 11% weightage for this exam. Eighth, approvals, which comprises 4% weightage for this exam. Let us now talk about course outline topics in detail. Topic 1, CPQ platform, 23%. It contains: first, designing, configuring, and troubleshooting price rules using lookup objects and formula fields to meet business requirements. Second, applying understanding of quote calculation sequence and quote line pricing fields to meet pricing and business requirements. Third, utilizing out-of-the-box and custom permissions, record types, field sets, and page layouts to ensure users can fulfill their job requirements. Fourth, demonstrating knowledge of CPQ data flow across CPQ objects. Fifth, demonstrating knowledge about the CPQ object data model as it relates to data migration. Sixth, setting up CPQ for localization and multi-currency for international customers and users. Seventh, determining the necessary CPQ package level settings. Eighth, determine how the CPQ managed package fits within a Salesforce org. Topic 2, bundle configurations, 17%. It contains: first, setting up a bundle structure to meet business requirements. Second, setting up product rules to meet business requirements. Topic 3, pricing, 16%. It contains: first, identifying the appropriate pricing strategy, discount schedules, block pricing, contracted prices, subscription pricing, percent of total, usage-based pricing. Second, Determining expected pricing outcomes. Topic 4, Quote Templates, 7%. It contains setting up a quote template to meet business requirements. Topic 5, Product Selection, 7%. It contains using search filters, field sets, and custom actions to enable product selection and configuration. Topic 6, Orders, Contracts, Amendments, and Renewals, 15%. It contains first, demonstrating the data required to generate orders and contracts. Second, demonstrating an understanding of how to generate renewal and amendment quotes to meet business requirements. Third, recommending when to use orders, contracts, subscriptions, and assets to meet business requirements. Topic 7, Products, 11%. It contains first, demonstrating how to set up products, price books, and price book entries. Second, demonstrating how product catalog setup impacts overall CPQ data flow. Topic 8, Approvals, 4%. It contains selecting and setting up advanced or native approvals to meet business requirements. Preparation Guide, Salesforce CPQ Specialist. First, review the exam objectives. So, your first step should be the official website of Salesforce, and view and match if you and the website are on the same page. If not, then make sure you're equipped with all the new exam info that is out there. Second, download the exam outline. After reviewing all the exam objectives, it becomes obvious to download the PDF file for exam outline. Make sure you don't skip this part. As mentioned earlier, the exam outline is the most important part of any certification exam. You can easily locate the exam outline on the official website as well. Also, make sure to view if there are any important notice. You must be updated on any new changes. Third, importance of Trailhead. If you are someone who has already qualified and attained credentials with Salesforce, then you might know the importance of Trailhead. With Trailhead, the candidate can review online documentation, tip sheets, and user guides, search for the topics listed in the exam outline section of this guide, and study the information related to those topics. Fourth, get started with training course. Getting hands-on experience is the most important experience for exams like Salesforce CPQ Specialist certification. And the only way you can achieve is through training course. You can easily get acquainted with training courses for the same. Nonetheless, Salesforce offers the candidate with quite a few options to choose from. So, head to their website if you want to master your skills. We highly recommend training courses. Fifth, books to consider. When it comes to certification exams, books can become an underrated learning resource. However, we beg to differ. So, here are a few of our picks that will help you achieve the credentials. 1. Salesforce CPQ Specialist by Saransh Paliwal. 2. Salesforce CPQ A Complete Guide by Gerardus Blockdick. 6th, join the community, Trailblazer Community. You know, sometimes, we're stuck with some problem or the other. Well, we all are humans, so that's an obvious fact. However, what if you're stuck somewhere with your preparation, and need an answer from some expert to any advisor? Don't know what to do then? On joining the community, you can exchange ideas, ask and answer questions, join feature groups. 7th, practice tests for perfection. With all the mentioned training course and documentation, your last step in preparation must be going through practice tests. Now, the internet is filled with so much noise. Therefore, for your convenience, we at Test Prep Training are proud to announce, we provide free practice tests for you. Since, practice tests are one of the crucial steps you must not skip, while appearing for the exam. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.